supersonic phantoms, swing wings, and the jet that ruled the 1980s. Today, we're ranking Cold War beasts by national origin. Number 1 was built to dogfight the Soviet Union, and it's still flying today. Stay till the end. If you love military jets and aviation history, subscribe now. We rank 10 new planes every week. Last video was World War II legends. Today, Cold War beasts. Let's start at number 10. Number 10. The Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-21 from the Soviet Union. Known as a supersonic interceptor, first flight 1955. The most produced supersonic jet in history, with over 11,000 built, flown by over 60 countries. Small, fast, and deadly. The ultimate symbol of Eastern Bloc air power. MiG-21 or F-4 Phantom? Comment your favorite below.
Number 9. The Hawker Siddeley Harrier from the United Kingdom. Known as a V-STOL strike aircraft. First flight, 1967. It can take off and land vertically. No runway needed. Famous for the Falklands War in 1982. Jet plus helicopter in one. Coolest gimmick ever? Type Harrier if yes. Number 8. The Sukhoi Su-25 Frogfoot from the Soviet Union. Known as a close air support aircraft. First flight, 1975. This is Russia's version of the A-10. Armored, ugly, and built to survive bullets. An enduring relic of Soviet engineering still deployed in modern conflicts. Tough as nails. Frogfoot or Warthog? Which tank killer wins? Comment. Number 7. The General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon from United States. Known as a multi-role fighter. First flight, 1974. Over 4,600 built. Flown by 25 countries. Light, fast, Mach 2. Can do anything. Bomb, dogfight, recon. The most successful Western fighter of the Cold War. F-16 fans, hit like for the Viper. Number 6. The North American X-15 from United States. Known as a rocket-powered research aircraft, first flight, 1959. This thing flew to the edge of space, Mach 6.7, higher than 300,000 feet. Pilots earned astronaut wings in it. It's basically a spaceship with wings. Craziest experimental plane ever? Agree or disagree? Number 5. The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress from United States. Known as a long-range strategic bomber, first flight, 1952. The ultimate symbol of Cold War nuclear deterrence. 8 jet engines, massive payload, and active for over 70 years. A heavy bomber that defined the entire era. Best looking bomber of the era? Comment below. Number 4. The Panavia Tornado from Europe. Known as a multi-role strike aircraft, first flight, 1974. UK, Germany, and Italy built it together. Variable sweep wings mean it literally changes shape in flight. Low-level, high-speed, nuclear-capable during the Cold War, the backbone of European strike power for 40 years. Number 3. The McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II from United States. Known as a tandem 2-seat interceptor and fighter bomber, first flight, 1958. A Mach 2.2 Titan that served the US Navy, Air Force, and Marines simultaneously. The definitive American heavy fighter of the Vietnam War era. Proved that pure engine thrust could make a brick fly. Is this the ultimate 1960s jet? Let me know. Number 2. The Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II from United States. Known as a close air support aircraft, first flight, 1972. Nickname, the Warthog. Built around a 30mm GAU-8 cannon, the plane is literally a gun with wings. Armored bathtub for the pilot, it can come home missing half a wing. Most loved attack jet ever? I think yes. And number 1, the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle from United States. Known as an air superiority fighter, first flight, 1972. Built specifically to dominate Soviet skies. Over 100 victories, 0 combat losses. Mach 2.5 speed, unmatched radar, and still ruling the skies today. If you loved these Cold War beasts, hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.